When comparing TunnelBear VPN versus Mullvad VPN, you're essentially choosing between the best for first-time VPN users and the best for bargain hunters. Let's break it down and see which one might fit your needs better. First, TunnelBear VPN is definitely more user-friendly. It's designed for people who are new to the VPN world. If you're someone who just wants something that works right out of the box, TunnelBear's simple interface is easy to navigate. No technical jargon, no complex settings, just a straightforward experience. But while that's great for first-time users, it can feel a bit limiting for those who want more control over their VPN connection. Next thing, price. Mullvad VPN is known for being one of the most affordable options out there, which makes it a fantastic choice for bargain hunters. It offers a flat-rate subscription, which might be an easier choice if you're just looking to save money, especially compared to some of the more expensive competitors. However, it does come with its own quirks, like the lack of a free trial or a month-to-month plan, so you're committing to a longer-term choice. When it comes to speed, TunnelBear offers solid performance for everyday use like browsing and streaming. It's reliable and consistent, especially for beginners who might not care about advanced configurations. Mullvad, on the other hand, is built more for privacy-focused users and those who value security, so it tends to perform well across the board. But it can sometimes feel a little slower due to its extra layers of encryption and less reliance on servers in multiple locations. The fourth thing, security and privacy. TunnelBear does a good job keeping you secure with AES 256-bit encryption and a no-logs policy. It's based in Canada, which could be a bit concerning for privacy purists due to the country's data retention laws. Mullvad takes the privacy crown here. It's based in Sweden, and it's known for offering anonymous sign-up options, including accepting cash payments and requiring no email address. Mullvad's commitment to privacy is one of its strongest selling points. Next, let's talk customer support. TunnelBear has solid support with a helpful FAQ and 24/7 support through its website, but there's no live chat. Mullvad's support is decent, but not as extensive. They don't have a live chat either, but you can always contact them through email or community forums. Both are reliable, but the difference in support availability might matter depending on your level of technical expertise. But here's the catch, TunnelBear might be easier for first-time users, and Mullvad's pricing could be a big win for budget-conscious users. But after trying all of them, there's a better alternative if your goal is to balance ease of use, strong privacy features, and great value. So, if you're looking for something that checks all the boxes, user-friendly, affordable, and secure, then check the first link in the description. Through our link, you'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits available only to our viewers. All the VPNs mentioned here are solid choices depending on your needs, but if you want a better alternative, don't miss out on this offer.